Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I don't even know what to call today's video because I don't want to do a haul. I want to pack for my Hawaii trip, which is this week. And all these bags came in for me quite a while ago and I just haven't had a chance to really open them up and see what I got. Everything I got is for my trip. And I'm hoping obviously to pack stuff that I already have, but I don't know, you know when you feel like all the dresses that are there in every vacation picture and I just want new stuff. So I did shop at Shein.com and I know some people don't like it because it's fast fashion, apparently is what my daughter tells me. I don't know about this industry so well. So I'm learning and the outfits are really cheap, like insanely cheap. But the reason I believe is why it's not so great for the environment is because they really do make a ton of the same product. So a lot of it gets wasted and I think they just waste them in garbage piles. I really don't know enough, so I apologize if any of you are mad at me for doing this. But hey, I'm not working right now, and if I can get something that looks really pretty at a really good price, I'm going to do it right now, especially for a big trip. So I'm not going to like try these on because I'm hoping that I'm going to love them all and you're going to see them during my Hawaii trip. So let's just get started and open up and see what we got. I hope you can see me well. I never really did a opening on my bed. Like I couldn't possibly do a look at it, try everything on. It's going to take too long. I'm going to show you what I got. Now it's not just clothing because, like I said, Shein, a little bit of everything, pretty much. This is the first time I'm seeing this stuff, so my reaction is literally first reaction. So I'm excited. I did get this black tote bag. I'm gonna put that's what I'll do. I will put the prices below to show you, like on the screen, to show you how much these things cost. You might be amazed. It's like quilted and it could get wet, so it's great to just throw things in to go to the beach maybe even. I don't know, but we're doing a lot of like adventure stuff, so I'm sure it will come in handy. Since I'm already on bags, let's see another bag. Oh, I got, you know what it is? I don't know if I'm gonna bring like my Dior, my Lady Dior. I don't really have that many more fancy bags, but I want like just a little handbag to go to dinner at night, just so I could put my lipstick in and my phone. Basically, that's about it. Oh, this is cute. So I got this little pocketbook. I figure this color will go with everything. Here's the chain inside. And I'll try to get a little more close up with these items in a bit. This is going to come in handy. This will probably be my evening bag every night. I gotta tell you too, the girls always have shopped from here for many years, and I wasn't as familiar because I thought it was just really for young kids, young girls. But it's really for everybody. I mean, again, I'm in my 50s and I'm shopping from here, but obviously there's a lot of stuff on there that I would never in a million years get or wear. But there are a lot of things that you will find on there for a mature woman. I got this, it's just a robe, a nice silky black robe, which I thought was beautiful for Hawaii, because it has like, looks like Hawaiian flowers, right? Belt? Oh, that's what I was gonna say. So my daughters would always, right before we would go on vacation, they'd ask if they could buy some stuff, and when I saw the prices, I was like, yeah. And the best part when you go on vacation, like your toiletries, like your shampoos and stuff, years ago they said you have to put them in Ziploc bags, you know, for the whole security reason. I just kind of kept doing that because it's just convenient and then they don't leak. But these bags are just as good. I don't know if they're leak proof, but they have the zip, they're like a Ziploc, and they're great even to bring for like wet bathing suits and dirty undies and stuff. Just my little travel tip. Now this is one thing I do remember. I did do a haul from Shein. I'm pretty positive. And then I got a lot of the dresses and they were cheesy. This is not like real good quality. I'm gonna be honest with you. On some of the dresses I have, the material is a little odd, but I think you can get away with it. And I don't know, it depends on the item. So this is just a pretty dress. I hope all these fit. Pretty green dress, nothing crazy, because I don't need another white dress. Seriously though, like white dresses over time, for me at least, they kind of get dingy looking, so I didn't buy a white dress this summer. I usually do, and I didn't because I felt like I had 1,000 of them, but a couple of them got ruined when I washed them because I put a red item in there. Yeah. So I thought I would get a new white dress just for the trip. Typical what I wear. But I thought it was really pretty. I can't imagine that I'm not going to like these. It's just like a dress to put on. Ooh. Keep this away from the right one. Oh my god, guys, I think I got the exact same one. No, I didn't. It's a little different. Okay. All these dresses are pretty similar. Yeah, this is just like a flowy dress. It looks like it goes like this instead of straps. It goes behind the neck, so that should be interesting. Ooh, I got this pretty nightgown because, you know, want to have something new for the trip. Like when I say they have everything, they have everything. I don't even know if this is for the trip, but I will bring it. This is more of like a comfortable nightie, whereas that's more like a more dressier nightie. So I basically got a lot of sundresses. Oh, this is cute. This is cream colored. They all kind of look the same, right? But they're all different in their own way. No. Did I get the same one twice? Okay. For some reason, I got the same one twice. This could have been my fault. Shoot. Oh. I might have put two of them in the... I have to check and see. Darn it. So I'm just going to put one right back because I'm not... Unless maybe I'll give it to my daughter, but... Because it's just so inexpensive, it's like not worth returning some of them. Oh my god, I forgot I got these. I got a bunch of... I like to wear... I'm actually wearing one right now. I like to wear like sports bras, and ever since COVID, I haven't put on a wire bra or just a bra that's like a cup, whatever, in years. And I will probably never want to do it again. But sports bras in the house are great. So I got, they had like a pack. I don't even know. Like I said, I'm going to put the prices down. But I got a black one, a green one, a gray one, and a white one. And it does have a very thin cup so that you don't see through it. And it gives you a little bit of something. Lift those babies up a little bit maybe, but they're not thick at all. It's just a thin, like a bathing suit cup kind of thing to keep it, so it's not just like flabbing. That's good. And is that necessarily for Hawaii? Maybe. Can I get these out? Oh, and I also got some underwear, some new underwear. I hope that I like these. I got like a ton of underwear. 1, 2, 3. I got 5 pair, and I'm gonna scream if I don't like these. But they have like, hopefully you can't see the seam. They're like seamless, I hope. For shoes, I got, and I wore them for the first time yesterday because I totally forgot that I had them. And we were going somewhere, and I'm like, I really wish I had like slip-on sandals. Oh, I do. Aren't they adorable? Again, I'm gonna show you these up close more probably, but I love those for, they're pretty comfortable. And I got these because I don't know what's going to happen there. But we're doing some hiking and stuff, going in the water and with rocks and stuff and everything. I thought this would be a good idea, and they're so comfortable. They're like water shoes, and they have a sole on them. So I'm thinking those are going to come in handy. I don't know. I think they are. That was one order. And then I got some more. I don't know. I can't believe I ordered all this. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. I need shorts. These are shorts. Everything's wrinkled. I gotta de-wrinkle them. These look like they should fit. Because again, I'm going to be doing a lot of walking and stuff. I don't know. Another pair of shorts. These are more like nicer shorts I can wear out. With like I could put a belt on them and stuff. I don't think that. More comfortable shorts because I want comfortable shorts. If I'm not mistaken, I've never been to Hawaii, but I think it's a pretty casual place to like go around. We're gonna do a lot of like just go around the towns, look for good food, you know? So I just want to have comfortable clothes. That's it as far as clothes and accessories go. I got some new bathing suits, which, you know, whoever wants to try new bathing suits, not I. But I got some, and because I just got my period today, I won't be trying them on today. Oh my god. Wow. This is a bit of a sexy one, but not really. I mean, the bottom is, it's not even a thong or anything, but I thought it was pretty and cute. So somehow maybe you'll see a picture of me in a bathing suit. I don't know. Typical black one. Can't go wrong with the typical black bathing suit. Joe's a little upset with me because I told him I don't want to wear a bikini. He doesn't understand why. I think it's just, I don't know, I'm just not comfortable. I want to be comfortable. This looks too big. Oh no. No, it is because I gained some of my weight back. So I thought, I didn't know what size to get. Because I lost all this weight and then I gained some of it back, but not all of it. So I don't even know. And that's too big. I could tell just looking at it. This one might be too. There's no way I have time to return them. I'll try them on. You never know. But one more purchase I got for my trip, because again, been through a lot of walking and very light hiking. I needed a new pair of sneakers. So we went to DSW and I got a pair of Puma. And I'm gonna tell you something. I love, love, love them. They are the most comfortable sneaker I ever put on my foot. I literally can't wait to wear them. I want to wear them right now. That's how comfortable they are. I gotta get packing, guys. You see what I have here. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of panicking. I gotta look at my itinerary and see what is what for what day. Try some of this stuff on. Oh, wait. I do have more clothes actually. I did a short video with some extra stuff that I did. I can't even remember them. I just remember the bathing suit cover. So that's my huge Shein haul. Again, I'm gonna try and put the prices down below. You know, times are tough. I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a bathing suit at the moment. And I will, because I like that stuff too, but you know, I'll buy whatever I like. If I like it, I'm buying it. I don't care how much it costs. I actually think all this stuff is really pretty, so there you go. Guys, I'm gonna get going and I'm gonna probably go out of my mind right now. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to look out for my Instagram posts and etc. with Hawaii. I can't wait to go. My first time. 30th anniversary, Joe and I. So yeah, that will probably be a video in the future. Not, you know, in the near future. But I'm honestly not going to be doing much vlogging though. But I will put something little together. I want to enjoy it. Okay, guys, I will see you next time, and aloha.